Hey guys, it's me again. So I'm really bored and it's like 10 o'clock at night. I don't really have a life. So I kind of just decided to every Friday night at 10 o'clock upload a new video of me doing a cover of somebody or me just talking about what's going on in my life. So this video right now is going to be about a cover song for Slob On My Knob by 36 Mafia, but later on I might do something about what's going on in the world and how I feel about everything. I'm not really sure yet, so I hope you just enjoy this cover. Slob on my knob, like corn on the cob. Shake in with me and do your job. Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Juicy is my name, sex is my game. Let's call the boys, let's run and train. Squeeze on my nuts, lick on my butt. Turn out your curly hair, please don't touch. Please find a mate, second find a place. Third find a bag, to hide the whole face. Real name broker, I said bend over. Started to knock, then came the odor. Smelt like mush, should've had a bush. Told her to stop and take a dish. When she did that, I didn't want the cat, so I bounced out and never came back. Suck a nigga dick a song. 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 Really deep magic, steady hand to hand. Said just a bit, it's too crowded. No little freak in Hollywood. Sucks on dick, does it real good. Should give you money, real up to time. House full of kids, parents all spin. Front head down, back jaw down. Hands on the back, enjoy the sound. Lay on the cover, always use a rubber. Tonight you could talk, fucking with a mother. She blamed it on me, she fought in the street. She pulled out a knife, so I had to flee. Called up the boys, went to her house. Charged the whole place, blew the bitch out. Police busted in, where the niggas at. Left just in time, and never came back. Rolled through the hood, waiting at the fix. Screwed on the rocks, smoking all the drinks. Made another stop, police station. Saw 3 cops, drove by the speed. Concentrated number, a nigga said he saw it. Bullets all the time, never get. Suck on my cat, cause you know it's fat. Check in with me and do that. Wait a second, freak, I know you from the streets. My nigga Herbert T said he chooses me. The little red, the one who's off in head. Until we got in bed. Smooth style. I creeped through her house, took her in her blouse to see her big her mouth. Pulled into a room to get the fucking sleep. I didn't have a rubber, so I fucked 2 balloons. Closed my own bed, that's all she said. Pussy was rough, pussy tight as threads. Plants on teens, broken with a pen. She rode it like a horse, the broken Russian sea. When I saw that, I didn't want the cat, so I found out, never came back. Well, that was my cover of Slob On My Knob. I know it wasn't perfect, I don't even have all the moves that all the other covers had, but tried my best. Subscribe to my channel.